In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to record credit card transactions. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to enter a purchase that you made with a credit card, so it shows up in the right place and your reports stay accurate. This is perfect for everyday expenses like supplies, subscriptions, or travel that you paid with a card. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin a new entry, go to the top right and click the New button. From the list that appears, choose Expense. This is the form designed for recording money you spent right away, and it's the right choice for purchases made with a credit card. At the top of the form, enter the payee. This is the vendor or merchant you paid. Keeping your vendor names consistent helps with reporting and makes it easier to search later. If you don't have the vendor set up yet, you can type the name and save it on the fly. Next, choose the payment account. This part is important. Select the specific credit card account you used for the purchase. Picking the correct card here ensures the transaction lands in that card's register and shows as part of your card balance. If you accidentally choose a checking account, it will post to the wrong place, so take a second to confirm the right card. Add the payment date. Use the date on the receipt or the date you actually made the purchase. Accurate dating keeps your monthly statements and reports clean and makes matching later much easier. For the payment method, select credit card. This tells QuickBooks how the expense was paid and keeps your records consistent. Now, complete the details of the expense. In the Category Details section, choose the appropriate expense account, such as office supplies, software, meals, or utilities, depending on what you bought. If you track products or services, you can use the Item Details section instead to allocate the cost to specific items. Add a clear description, the amount, and any applicable tax based on your setup. If your company uses classes, locations, or a memo for internal notes, fill those in to enhance your reporting and make the transaction easier to identify later. Take a quick moment to review everything: payee, payment account, date, method, category or item, and the total. A short check now can save time later. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom right. That's it. Your credit card expense is recorded. You'll see it reflected in your credit card account. And if you connect your card to bank feeds, you can match this entry when the transaction imports. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your books organized.